Hi, I'm Rocio a Yuen method instructor, and I'd like to share how I discovered this method. In 2017, I was moving back to Mexico and going through a divorce, facing numerous practical and emotional challenges. A friend recommended I consult with a Yuen method facilitator she knew. I didn't understand how the method worked, but I was amazed to see how it affected me during the session, and within days, those stressful logistical issues resolved themselves one by one. What I thought was a tragedy turned out to be a blessing, showing me there are new, better ways to solve problems. Since then, my life has only gotten better. So, check the video description for upcoming dates and learn more. You'll see when the next level 1, 2 or 3 is scheduled, or any other Yuen method workshop I'm offering. Learn to find and solve your problems, or like me, dedicate your life to helping others. Strengthening to eliminate tinnitus. Tinnitus is the perception of noise or ringing in the ear. These sounds only exist in the ears and are only perceived by the affected person. Let's separate weaknesses in ear parts: outer, middle, inner ear, and all related structures. We erase them to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We balance and strengthen each component individually and their relationships. Let's connect them individually and as a group to the central nervous system, back and forth in all possible combinations, from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front, and front to back, at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time, for infinite time. We'll remove parasites, their waste, bacteria, viruses, fungi, toxins, and all that's weakening the ear. We'll send it to the lymphatic system, strengthening channels, ducts, fluids, centers, and lymph nodes. We'll separate liver, kidneys, pancreas from the ear, erasing weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, always. We'll level them to be centered, balanced, and stable. We'll erase spiritual trauma from explosions, collapses, and situations that damage the ear. We clear direct and indirect karmas from causing hearing damage to others with all accumulated effects. We erase ear injury memories in you, ancestors, and descendants from this life and others, whether done, received, seen, heard, or ordered. We remove misinformation and beliefs that age necessarily weakens hearing. We clear circulatory system weaknesses that cause ear damage. We erase memories of dying while hearing buzzes, roars, clicks, hisses, and murmurs in you, ancestors and descendants, in this and other lives. We clear emotions, sensations, and reactions from hearing noises. We erase the buildup of poor focus, irritability, discomfort, doubt, hopelessness, and vulnerability this causes. Strong and neutral to hear or not hear noises, to hear many noises, few noises, or no noises at all. Strong to leave, stay, return, and not come back. We erase weaknesses in purpose caused by this condition. We erase loss of interest in life. We erase despair, helplessness, and misunderstanding. We erase the cumulative effect of this condition. We erase anxiety, depression, and stress at all levels. We strengthen inner ear hair cells for proper sound response. We strengthen nerves to send signals to the brain. We strengthen the brain to interpret these signals correctly. We eliminate random electrical impulses to the brain. We remove trauma effects from noise exposure at work. We clear fluid buildup in ear canals across lifetimes. We remove blockages causing ear infections. We clear excess wax, dirt, and foreign materials. We optimize and maintain ear pressure levels. We eliminate effects of head and neck trauma on inner ear. We address auditory nerves and hearing-related brain function. We balance the right ear with the left and vice versa. We align right ear with left brain, left ear with right brain. We remove traces of anti-inflammatory drugs, antibiotics, cancer meds, diuretics, malaria pills, and antidepressants that trigger tinnitus. We erase the cumulative effect of ear diseases in this and past lives like Meniere's, Mississippi, diabetes, thyroid issues, migraines, anemia, and autoimmune conditions. We eliminate abnormal optic fluid pressure as a cumulative effect of these diseases. We erase it in you, ancestors, and descendants from this and other lives. We remove stiffness from the middle ear ossicles chain and reduce them to optimal levels. We eliminate TMJ disorders and their cumulative effects. We eliminate blood vessel disorders and strengthen them to boost regeneration. We increase the number of functioning nerve fibers in the ears. We boost regeneration of damaged or weakened nerve fibers. We erase the accumulated effects of this disease: fatigue, stress, sleep issues, focus problems, memory loss, depression, anxiety, irritability, headaches, work and home troubles. We remove psychic energy, multiple personalities, dead energy, and entities from all dimensions in and around the ear. We eliminate all resistance to leaving your body or your body's resistance to letting go. We send it to other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, black holes, and unknown realms. We erase memories of not giving or receiving explanations and affectionate words. We erase memories of being silenced and silencing others. We erase childhood memories of intense verbal aggression. We erase resistance to ignoring your inner needs. We remove barriers to hearing painful, confronting truths. We stop using inner noise to block relationship conflicts. We erase fear of facing difficult truths. We remove the habit of judging everything we hear. We erase inner anger towards unpleasant information. We separate and strengthen emotions, sensations, and reactions. We balance them, unlocking infinite potential always. We eliminate unconscious self-protection from childhood. We remove weaknesses from criticism and judgment. We eliminate the refusal to listen. We clear karmas and curses linked to this symptom, direct or indirect, and their cumulative effects. We remove interpretations that make you feel hurt, attacked, or compromised. We eliminate inner anger from hearing things you dislike. We flush cortisol from your body into the lymphatic system. We reinforce the lymphatic system, channels, ducts, fluids, centers, and nodes. We remove the built-up stress and fatigue that worsen this symptom. Let's strengthen the inner and outer dynamics, boundaries, and vertices of your ear's geometry and yourself to 100% infinite potential all the time. Will remove all limitations, delays, obstacles, and blocks to improve this process. Will erase it completely for all time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. All right, tell me, how do you feel? The same or different?